Hello everyone, I'm Gite ma'am. Welcome back in online session. Today we are going to see our third lesson in Maths 2 Circle. To start our lesson, we are going to see some basic concept revision about the circle. You are familiar with the all concept about the circle, just like radius, diameter, chord, etc. आप सभी को पता है. Suppose this is a circle. I draw here OC is a radius of given circle and AB is the diameter of circle and PQ is the chord of given circle. The biggest chord of circle is diameter of circle. Now see, I draw two circles with having radius equal with 5 centimeter. Circle A and circle B. Both circle has same radius. So having same radius, the circles are called as a congruent circles. Having same radius, circles called as a congruent circles. Next, concentric circles. Suppose here is a circle with center P. यहाँ पे आपको एक सर्कल दिख रहा है, उसका सेंटर क्या है? P है. Okay. Taking center P, I draw again another circle. This circle has also center P. So you can draw more circles with one center P. That type circles are called as a concentric circles. Means having same center. Having same center. All these circles have a common center P. Our next circle, intersecting circles. I draw two circles. Both circles are intersect each other at point A and at point B. At point A and at point B. Intersecting circles always intersect at 2 point. Always intersected at 2 point. Here both circles are intersect at point A and at point B. These type of circles are called intersecting circles. You can see I draw again a circle, and for this circle AB is a chord of given circle. Draw a segment on chord. I draw here OM segment to OM perpendicular segment to AB. So segment drawn from center of circle to chord is perpendicular to chord. Segment drawn from center of circle to chord, it always perpendicular to the chord. Always perpendicular to chord. So in given circle, segment OM perpendicular to chord AB. Segment OM perpendicular to chord AB. OM perpendicular to AB, so chord divides into two equal parts. Chord divides into two equal parts. That is AM is equal to BM. AM is equal to BM. Means the segment drawn from center to the any chord of given circle is always perpendicular to chord. It divides chord into two equal parts. Now tangent of circle. You are also familiar with tangent of circle. Suppose with center O, that is circle, I draw one tangent which touches this circle at point M. So PM is a tangent of given circle center O. In given figure, the line P is tangent of the circle at point M. This is a PM tangent which is at touches to circle at point M. So I draw here radius OM. You can see again this radius perpendicular to this tangent. So radius of the circle always make 90-degree angle with tangent. Radius of circle always makes 90-degree angle with given tangent. So you can write here OM perpendicular to tangent PM. OM perpendicular to tangent PM. Here at point P, OM makes angle for 90 degree. The relation between radius and tangent, or you can say tangent make 90-degree angle to radius. 90-degree angle to radius. Now see, I draw some circle. I draw here two circles. Both circles touches at one point. You can see here दोनों सर्कल एक दूसरे को कैसे टच कर रहे हैं, एक्सटर्नली टच कर रहे हैं, राइट. बोथ सर्कल्स आर टचेस टू एक्सटर्नली. दिस टाइप ऑफ सर्कल्स कॉल्ड एज अ externally touching circle. These two circles are touching circle and both circles touches each other at external point. Both circle touches each other at externally. So this type of circle is called as a externally touching circle. Suppose this circle has a radius R1 which is big and second circle has a radius R2. Suppose center of with radius R1 is a O and center of with radius R2 is a P. To find the distance between OP, the center of both circle lies in collinear. Suppose we take here touches point A, then O, A and P. All 3 points lies on same segment. So if you find out the distance OP, you can add the radius of first circle R1 plus radius of second circle R2. The distance between the both center of given circle, if circles are touches externally, you should add given radius. So you can write here distance between OP is equal to R1 plus R2. Distance OP is equal to R1 plus R2. Listen carefully and remember it. आपको याद रखना है कि कभी भी दो सर्कल अगर एक दूसरे को एक्सटर्नली टच कर रहे हैं तो उन दोनों सर्कल के केंद्र की जो सेंटर का जो डिस्टेंस होगा, तो डिस्टेंस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हमें उन दोनों सर्कल्स की रेडियस को प्लस करना है. सो यू कैन राइट हियर OP इज इक्वल टू R1 प्लस R2. बोथ सर्कल्स आर एक्सटर्नल टचिंग सर्कल. नाउ सेकंड, internal touching circle. First draw one circle in this way. So another circle which touches So if this is the radius of first bigger circle and this is a radius of second internal circle which intersect internally. So if center of this bigger circle is O with radius R1 and center of this internal touches circles is P with radius R2, then the distance between the center of both circle, those circle touches internally with each other. So you can find out the distance between both center of this internally touches circle. OP is equal to R1 minus R2. Here R1 is a radius of this bigger circle. So you should subtract the bigger radius, smaller radius from bigger radius. So you remember, if two circles touches externally, then you can find out the distance between their center with adding their radius. And if two circles touches internally, then to find out the distance between center, you subtract smaller radius from bigger radius. Suppose R1 is a bigger radius of bigger circle and R2 is a smaller radius of smaller circle, then the distance between two center is equal to R1 minus R2. Here we take center O as a bigger circle and center P as a smaller circle. So distance between OP is equal to R1 minus R2. मतलब इस बड़ी रेडियस में से हम इस छोटी रेडियस को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें ये OP का डिस्टेंस यहाँ पे मिलने वाला है. दिस इज इंटरनली टचिंग सर्कल एंड दिस इज एक्सटर्नली टचिंग सर्कल. Property of touching circle. Our last point, property of touching circle. What is the property of touching circle? If two circles touch each other, their point of contact lies on the line joining. Their point of contact lies on the line joining their centers. मीन्स जब दो सर्कल्स एक दूसरे को एक्सटर्नल टच कर रहे हैं तो उनकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है कि उनका जो कांटेक्ट पॉइंट है, मतलब वो किसी एक पॉइंट पे टच करे एक दूसरे को एक्सटर्नली, दैट पॉइंट एंड द पॉइंट which on the line joining their centers, it always lies on the line joining their centers. वो जो टचिंग पॉइंट होता है वो हमेशा उन दोनों सर्कल के सेंटर का जो सेगमेंट होता है उसी सेगमेंट पे होता है. मीन्स सपोज OP is a segment of both circles with center O and P, then the touching point of both circles always lies on the joining of their centers. So in this session we take some revision, some basic concept of circle. Tomorrow we will see some activities and some properties of circle. Thank you.